So if you are using your PS4 controller on your PC to play FIFA, and you were playing FIFA the previous versions, and it was working fine, and now with FIFA 20 it is not, so this is what you have to do. In case you are using DS4 Windows, something's changed. So if you don't know how to connect, first you can download and install DS4 Windows. I made a video a few minutes ago just explaining it. I'm gonna leave the link here in the description below. So once you download and configure the DS4 Windows, you're gonna leave the origin client. You exit here. You're gonna run DS4 Windows. You see that I already have my controller here connected. Now we're gonna go for settings, and here you have the option Hide DS4 Controller, but don't click it yet. If you have nVidia drivers installed, you need to go for Task Manager, and you need to find the nVidia container process. We're gonna have to close all this process, and once we do, we have to click Hide DS4 Controller really fast, because this process they start again if you close them. So we're gonna go and task, click hide. Cool, everything worked fine. That's it. In case you click hide and you still get some red text here below, it's gonna tell you what process is still open, and you're gonna have to close it again. So once you close everything and you click hide again, that's it. That's how now your FIFA 20 should work fine with the PS4 controller.